In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to DNS on the Namecheap. So the first thing you should like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, it could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen of the Namecheap website. If you have an account, make sure to go and sign in into it. You will find an option instead of this. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and click at the sign up option and you will have to create your account manually. There is no fast way as create an account with Google or something like that. Once you do one of those options, you will find yourself on your account on the dashboard like this. And as we said, we would like to know how to use DNS or how to DNS on Namecheap. So after we logged in into your account, simply you will have to go and select this domain list from this left panel option. Now, you would like to find the domain name that you would like to see DNS of it or change it or something like that and click on manage of that name domain. Once you're here, make sure to go into this advanced DNS option or tab, and that's what we care about. Here, as you can see, you can change the DNS template. You can add some host records. You can even change the DNS SEC. And of course, you will have the option even to change the mail settings, the dynamics DNS, and the personal DNS server. Make sure if you change everything or anything to just save the changes, because if you didn't, your changes will not be saved. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.